Good day, everyone. My name is Sanosite Misope, and I am the managing director of SSJ Clothing Factory. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me introduce to you a ready to wear business or garment factory. In the sense that we know in Nigeria, our dollar is not accurate and we can't continue importing what we can produce. By the time we import fabrics, and we are still going to import the already made, ready to wear. My sister, dollar is not smiling at all. So that is why we have to repackage. I know what we are doing. So now I'm introducing a lot of fashionista and people that want to go into a boutique or ready to wear designs, the secrets, everything that it entails. I'm going to give it to you back to back on my channel, so you can kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can always go along with us by the time we bring all these packages for you guys. Thanks a lot. God bless you.